Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to IT Byte Limited. IT Byte Limited is the introduction to service. We provide expert IT support services online and remotely. From computer troubleshooting and hardware reassembly to remote help desk support, we have got you covered. Why choose IT Byte Limited? Fast, reliable, and affordable, our experts are here to solve your IT problem quickly, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Call to action. Need IT support? Contact us today at IT Byte Limited. Visit our website and connect our phone or email to get started now. Empowering your technology anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching.